California is home to the largest population of veterans in the country, with nearly 30 major military installations, including the largest naval complex in the Pacific. For many service members and veterans, balancing military life with the pursuit of higher education can be challenging. At ASU, we make it possible for you to advance your education, no matter where you're stationed. Our flexible online programs empower military students like you to move forward in your education and career. At an average age of 31, military online students skillfully balance service, family, and a desire for personal growth. Nearly half of these students are pursuing STEM degrees, preparing to lead and innovate in tomorrow's most in-demand fields. And for some, this journey is about blazing a trail as the first in their families to pursue higher education. When you join our community, you'll be part of a growing family of over 10,000 military students, with support every step of the way. On average, our military students transfer 57 credits. This allows them to bring their valuable experience and knowledge into the classroom and accelerate their path to graduation. And while military families relocate more frequently, your education moves with you, wherever you go. Each new move becomes an opportunity for growth, whether you're stationed in the heart of San Diego or deployed overseas. At ASU, you're not just earning a degree online, you're preparing for the next chapter of your story. California military students, your service has already shaped who you are. Now, let us help you shape what's next.